Hi, Pat here. I got a Teac cassette deck, model A420. They made these right about 1976. This one came with its original box. It's in very nice shape. Wood's excellent. So let's slide out its cover and take a look at the inside. I got the cover off, and as you can see, the pelt's broken. It's kind of stuck on there, what's left of it, so we have to tear it down and replace the belt. I took the bracket off that's holding this pulley in place. I can't quite slide it all the way out, but it does give me enough room in there. I could change all the belts. I could clean all these rubber rollers up and start replacing the belts. I got the new belts on, got everything cleaned up inside there. But then I was still having one problem. When I hit play, I wasn't getting no sound. It turned out to be this little muting switch right down there. I had to reset that, and that got things working. I got my speed tape in, 3000 hertz, and the adjustments right there in that motor. And I got adjusted 3003, 3004. Manual says plus or minus 5 and plus or minus 45 as it gets halfway through the tape, but it's looking good. I got blank tape in right now. I'm doing a little recording. Let's rewind it a little bit and see how it comes out. And it's looking and sounding good. I got store-bought tape in right now, and everything's working and playing fine. This is a very nice, very clean tape deck. But I'm going to call this one done. Thanks for watching the video.